anigu waxaan ahay oo ka imid Itoobiya waxaan u dhashay gobolka Doolo baan u dhashay Soomaalida Itoobiyana waa ahay magacaygana waxa la yiraahdaa Duran Shire Abdile baa la yiraahdaa.
Yeah, patient is saying that my name firstly Duran Shire Abdile and I belong to Ethiopia.
Dib badan oo tiro badan bay haysatay muddo 7 sano ah yaa lagu halayga hayay haddaan lugta dhaqaajiyo lafaha isqabanayay xanuunayay.
Before I came to this hospital, I was not able to stand or walk without assistance or without a wheelchair. I was using wheelchair even if I'm going to the washroom nearby to me 2 meters, I was using wheelchair. After that, I came to know this hospital by the help of my translator Mohammed. After I came this hospital, I met with the Dr. Vivek Mahajan, who is a joint replacement surgeon. He performed a robotic surgery, which I benefited.
Hello, I'm Dr. Vivek Mahajan. I'm Chief of Robotic Joint Replacement at Indian Spinal Injury Center Multispeciality Hospital. Well, Mr. Duran came to us from Somalia. He was having severe osteoarthritis of both knees and he was not able to walk. He came in the wheelchair and he was almost bedridden since quite some time. So when we examined him, we told him we can treat him and we offered him the latest robotic joint replacement. In robotic joint replacement at Indian Spinal Injury Center, when we do the surgery, we don't cut the muscles. We push the muscles to one side and then we use robot to put the new knee. This is also called as minimally invasive muscle sparing joint replacement. In this, we don't replace the full knee. The part which is damaged, in that part we put a new knee. There is no bed rest after the surgery. We made him walk next day after the surgery. He was able to climb stairs within 4 days after the surgery and then we discharged him. Now he has come for follow-up 2 weeks after the surgery. He is walking comfortably and he is very happy. When we are doing knee replacement at Indian Spinal Injury Center, then we take care that patient don't experience pain, recover fast. As I said, there is no bed rest. We make the patient walk next day after the surgery. Patient are able to climb stairs within 3 to 4 days after the surgery, and we are using the US FDA approved most latest and advanced implants which last for 20-25 years, and we assure you we are able to deliver best of the results. Thank you so much.
halkaan isbitaalkan markaan midna waxa la igu waday ii sheeg halkii.
Now my situation become stable. As you see, now I am walking alone.
marka koobaad marka Ilaahay baa mahadle marka labaad dhakhtarkii qalay oo magaciisa la yiraahdo
Vivek Mahajan
oo halkaan jooga baa mahadle maadaama socodkaygii iyo sharaftaydi aad u gaaray.
Patient has replied to thank all to perform a doctor for the surgery, Dr. Vivek Mahajan. Thanks to him and whoever participated this surgery.